I've often wondered if Upwork could be more than just a side hustle. Could it actually become a full-time job? After diving deep into the platform, I realized that it absolutely can, depending on how you approach it. Are you full-time on Upwork or have experience on Upwork? What has been your experience? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. First, it's all about understanding what skills are in demand. High-demand skills like web development, graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, and tech expertise often get more attention. If you've got any of these under your belt, you're already off to a great start. But it's not just about what you can do, it's also about how you present yourself. I found that optimizing my profile made a huge difference. A well-crafted profile with a strong portfolio, clear descriptions of my services, and some positive client reviews really helped me stand out. It's like your online resume, and it needs to shine. Of course, one of the biggest challenges is getting consistent work. In the beginning, it took some time to establish myself, but by consistently bidding on jobs and building strong relationships with my clients, I started seeing more opportunities. That steady stream of clients and projects is what turns Upwork into a viable full-time gig. Now, let's talk about income stability, which was one of my biggest concerns. Freelancing income can be unpredictable, and that's just the reality of it. But I learned that diversifying my client base and saving during high-earning months helped me manage those fluctuations. It's all about planning ahead and being prepared for the slow periods. Time management is another crucial aspect. Balancing multiple clients and projects means I had to get really good at managing my time. In the beginning, I sometimes found myself working longer hours just to build my reputation and secure more projects, but it was worth it in the end. And then there's the fee structure. Upwork does take a percentage of your earnings as a service fee, so it's important to factor this into your pricing. I learned to adjust my rates to account for this, ensuring that I still earned what I was worth. But honestly, one of the things I love most about Upwork is the flexibility. The ability to work from wherever I want and set my own hours has been a game changer for me. It's a big reason why I pursued this path in the first place. So, can Upwork be a full-time job? Absolutely. It takes dedication, persistence, and strategic planning. But for those who are willing to put in the work, it can be an incredibly rewarding career path.